Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode does not really matter. You can do it on whichever mode you will be. What is more, I just wanted to draw your attention to the guidelines I've applied before I've started recording, because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. All we have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults. Tap on Restore Defaults, and as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.